monster. Giant birds, werewolves, and a creature called Bigfoot. Bigfoot is the most popular. People around the world have been seeing Bigfoot deep in the woods for many years. There are said to be 3,000 of these creatures in the U.S. alone, and in many in other parts of the world. Some scientists believe that Bigfoot is a relative of the ancient ape called the Gigantopithecus. They believe that this ape may have migrated here. Bigfoot is described as being 7 to 9 feet tall, about 600 to 800 pounds, covered in black, brown, gray, or red, broad shoulders, and a human-like face. For years, researchers have been trying to gather evidence to prove the existence of Bigfoot. They interview witnesses and gather the evidence from the area where the sighting took place. The evidence they look for are footprints, hair samples, and bones. People have found tracks measuring up to 14 inches to 17 inches long. The tracks look like a very large human footprint. Hair has been found in DNA testing, although bones have not been found. Hair samples have been found to be a species unknown. Dermal ridges on the bottom of the feet have been found to be non-human, non-ape, yet primate. It is difficult to get a photo of Bigfoot because they hide from people very well. The best video footage was taken in 1967 by a man named Roger Patterson. Roger and his friend Bob Gimlin were out on horseback and came upon a real live Bigfoot. Roger had his movie camera with him, so he jumped off his horse and began filming. The DVD player here shows the Patterson footage. Anyone who has ever seen a Bigfoot says the creature tries to hide from them. Some people have reported that small rocks and pine cones have been thrown at them just before seeing the creature. There has not been any major reports of violence from a Bigfoot. They generally stay away from humans, which is probably why they are so hard to find. Scientific evidence is to support the existence of Bigfoot. The giant panda. The gorilla. Listed under the science of cryptozoology. So, you tell me, is Bigfoot a real creature living among us? You be the judge.
Good job, lady. What is this for you right there? It's either a wood ink